Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning about how to create a super simple bash script and then how to then implement that into your actual system so that you can execute that script from anywhere you want. So to begin, as long as you have a Linux machine, you should be able to do this. I'm using Ubuntu 24.04. That's the release I'm using. If you're curious. So to begin, we are going to type in nano test.sh. It needs to end in that test or that .sh because that's going to be important when we add it into our system binaries. And every bash script should start with a shebang, which is hashtag !/ bin/bash. And then you can add in any command you want, any kind of command. A bash script can just be one command. It can be multiple commands in a row. But we're just going to do a very simple echo test successful. Woohoo! Bam. And then you're going to hit Control X. Control X. And it's going to ask you if you want to save this. You want to save it? Yes. And hit Enter to save that file. Now when we look at the files in here, we see we have our test.sh. You can see what's inside. There's our shebang, echo test successful, woohoo. But how do we actually execute that? All you have to do is type in bash test.sh, and there it is. Test successful, woohoo. Now, if we want to make this script executable from anywhere on the system, any folder, any directory, we can add this to our system binaries, which you can do by, first of all, using this command, sudo chmod +x test.sh. So now we can see it's green, ls-l will show us that it's now executable. See the 3 X's here. So it's not executable. And what you'll do is you will copy sudo cp to copy test.sh to user local bin. And what that's going to do is it's going to add that bash script, that executable bash script to your local binary. So specific to your user, and binaries are where the different commands and scripts are held on your system. So now we can go anywhere we want. Let's go into the var folder and we can type in test.sh, and you can see our script does execute because it's in our user local bin folder. And that will only work if you have this file, this .sh file, as executable, and you have that shebang at the top, which you can see right here. So yeah, that is how to create a very simple bash script. Just a very, foundational. You can do whatever you want with that. You can build on it, screw around with that, and I hope you found that helpful. And thanks for watching.